Removes up to 20x more plaque than a manual toothbrush. Up to 15x healthier gums in 6 weeks versus a manual toothbrush. Triangular tips brush away stains for whiter teeth in just 2 days versus a manual toothbrush with whitening toothpaste. BrushSync mode pairing replacement reminders when used with a BrushSync compatible handle. Genuine Philips Sonicare rechargeable electric toothbrush head compatible with all Philips Sonicare click on rechargeable toothbrush handles. The Philips Sonicare Premium All-in-One brush head combines plaque removal, gum health and whitening into one brush head, so you don't have to choose any longer. Designed to work with all click-on Sonicare models, these brush heads remove up to 20x more plaque than a manual toothbrush while gently improving gum health up to 15x in 6 weeks versus a manual toothbrush. Top reviews from the United States. Best Sonicare brush head. After trying the other spin brush heads from Sonicare, we decided to try this one. Never going back to the other models. The C3 and G3 just don't compare. No, they all have different functions, but the way this brush head fits our teeth and cleans them, as well as invigorating our gums, is just awesome. Feels like I've been to the dentist after I brush.